guys, this is Kristen at The Empty Plate, and today I'm going to give you a quick cupcake kit tutorial. We'll go through our box. If you're watching this video, that must mean that you have bought a cupcake kit from me. And today we're going to be doing the Easter cupcake box. But any of the other cupcake kits that you will be getting will be all the same. This just happens to be the Easter cupcake kit. Okay, so when you open up your kit, you're going to see that you have 3 frostings. You have lots of frosting. You're going to get a green, a pink, and a blue in this one. Okay, I'll explain to you why in a minute, why they're in containers. You're also going to get written instructions on how to do your cupcakes. I am a visual person, so that's why I'm doing a video for you. Some people just need to read it and they can follow it. I kind of like a visual, so that's why I decided to do a tutorial for you today. You're also going to get 3 different types of sprinkles and candy. These are some just candy, sugar sprinkles, Easter M&Ms, and some Easter sprinkles. Okay. Then you're going to get some cupcake toppers. Everybody's will be different at some point, but there's some bunnies and little carrots. And everybody celebrates Easter differently. Some people want bunnies and eggs. Other people want a different thing, and they want a cross to represent that Jesus has risen. So we have those as well. So you get to choose for your Easter basket. Also, you're going to notice if you've ever bought any other like cookie decorating kits or other cupcake decorating kits, you usually get your frosting already in your piping bags. Well, I have bought cookie decorating kits before with their frosting in here, but you don't have any tips. So all you get to do is cut the top of this off and try to decorate, and it's not pretty. So I also included some piping tips for you to decorate your cupcake in a nice, pretty manner. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And of course, you have the star of the show is your cupcakes, your chocolate cupcakes and your vanilla cupcakes. And you have a container to put them in after they're all finished. So I'm going to put this off to the side. First thing we're going to do is fill up our piping bags full of frosting. The only thing that I didn't add into your kit is what you're going to need is a little spatula, scissors, and a cup. So those are the only extra things you're going to need to be able to decorate these. So we are going to take one of our tips. They're clear, so they're hard to see. You can take one of your tips. You're going to put it all the way to the end of your bag. Then you're going to take a pair of scissors and you're going to make just so the tip can come out, not so the rest of it can fall out, but just need just a little bit more. Just so your tip will be like this. Okay, so we're going to do that to the other 2. Okay. Top off. All right, and our third one. There, so make sure that all your tip, there's no bag on the design part. Okay, so done with the scissors. I'm going to take a glass. I think this is going to be much easier for everyone. You're going to take your piping bag, hold it down just a little bit, put this around your cup, okay? And open it as much as you can, all the way to the bottom. Open up one of your frostings, blue and scrape out all the frosting. Make sure your buttercream is at room temperature and not cold, because it will be very hard to work with. Just set it out on the counter just for it to become room temperature. And a scraper is going to work best to get all of that frosting out, okay? So that's all we're doing here. So see how we did that? Then you're just going to take the top of it, fold it again, bring it up. And just get it down there. You hold it real tight. Do that, it all comes down. Just be careful. Then you're going to take the top, and then twist it. Okay, and now you have your piping bag filled of blue. Okay, so let's do that with the other two real quick. Okay, we are ready to decorate our cupcakes. Everything is all set, ready to go. Take off our little covers. And now we're going to decorate our cupcakes. The fun part. It's fun doing all your frostings and stuff as well. Okay, now we're going to choose what cupcake to decorate first. I'm going to do a chocolate because chocolate is my favorite. So we can do this a couple ways. I think I'm going to choose pink because pink and chocolate look so pretty together. Squeeze your frosting so it gets down to where it needs to be. I like to hold the cupcake in my hand. Can start from the outer part and squeeze. That's your start. If you have to, you can put it down. You can use two hands, especially if it's a little one trying to do this. I like to hold and squeeze and let it sit there a little bit because that kind of is what gives us that ruffle look, okay? So you're going to squeeze it and do it kind of like you would think like an ice cream swirl. So that's what this would do for it. So we can add a few little sprinkles. Make it shiny. Add some. And a few sprinkles. You can use all of it on every single one. And I'm going to put a carrot on this one. How cute is that, guys? Okay. So I'm going to do a pink one. A vanilla one. But we're going to do it a little different. I'm going to try just to do little fluffs like this. But I'm going to do all the colors. Kind of like how I decorate cakes, if you've ever seen any of my cakes, but we're going to do it on the cupcake. Really make sure this frosting is at room temperature because it feels a little hard to squeeze. And it's a little cold still. So I'm going to fill in these with the green. You can see what I'm doing. There. And I think in the middle, I'm going to do a swirl of blue. Okay. How cute is that? Cute. So, once again, let's add a few sprinkles. Guys, this is just how I'm doing mine. You do how you want to do your cupcake, okay? A little Easter bunny. How cute is that? Okay, there's two. Two so far. Let's do another vanilla. And I'm going to do blue. Okay. Here's another thing we can do. We can do swirls back and forth. And then do some little dots around the sides. Use your imagination. How you want your cupcake to look. Okay. Definitely need sprinkles. Oh, it's so cute. I'm also going to add some M&Ms in here. I'm going to kind of set them up. And our last one of these, because you'll get 3 in each one. Okay. And 3 more. So we have a chocolate here. So let's do green. I'm going to do another swirl, kind of like an ice cream swirl. I'm going to squeeze. I give it time. I be patient so we can get the little ruffle effect. Okay. I'm going to do green on green because it makes it very shiny. You might want to put something down on your counter, but it's okay to make a mess sometimes when we're being creative. More sprinkles. And I am going to add some more M&Ms. Okay. And we have 2 more. So, another vanilla. And I am going to do this one. I'm going to do this one green too. I'm going to do swirls on this one. I'm going to do green. Do pink. I'm going to do blue. Okay. And all I'm doing was squeezing and just going back and forth, back and forth. Okay. Oh, I wish I wouldn't have done that. We'll fix it. There's no right or wrong way to do this. It's just to have fun. Okay. Sprinkles. And let's see, we've got a purple, yellow, pink. There's that one. We have 1 more to decorate, and look at all this frosting we still have, guys, with only 1 more left. You can make sugar cookies. You can just eat this. This is the best frosting ever, okay? So you have plenty of frosting to play with, okay? Go bake some more cupcakes. Decorate some more. You do you, guys, seriously. I think I'm going to do 1 more green because I really seem to like the green. How about we do another swirly one? I'm going to do a big swirl on all 4 corners. Okay. Then I'm going to do another green swirl in between the greens. Did I say green? Blue? Yep. Then I'm going to do a pink one in the middle. Okay. We still have lots of sprinkles left. So let's load her up on this last one. Yellow, blue, green. One for me. Chocolate. Okay, guys, we have a few sprinkles left. So I'm just going to put them on, some of them. And lots of green ones. Guys, see, this would be so fun to be creative. Sorry about my dog. He loves to bark during my videos. Okay, guys. These are our 6 adorable little cupcakes. You can put them right back in your box. If you make these cupcakes, I would absolutely love for you to send me a picture of your finished cupcakes. You got lots of frosting left. You have a little bit of sprinkles left. Go bake some more cupcakes and just enjoy decorating and having a good time together. Here's our finished cupcakes. How adorable are those? Okay guys, thanks for watching. Hope this tutorial helps you, and I hope you absolutely love your cupcakes and have a great time decorating them. See you guys.